Comparison of Cypress, TestCafe, and Puppeteer. Are you a QA engineer? We're going to look into end-to-end testing frameworks. As the complexity of web applications grows, so does the need for better testing solutions. We're going to explore 3 popular tools: Cypress, TestCafe, and Puppeteer. Why this matters. Choosing the right testing framework can significantly impact the efficiency and effectiveness of your testing process. It can mean the difference between catching bugs early and frequently versus a slow, cumbersome testing cycle that might miss critical issues. By comparing Cypress, TestCafe, and Puppeteer, we'll equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision that aligns with your project's needs. Cypress. Cypress is a powerful end-to-end testing framework built for the modern web. It's designed to run tests in the same run loop as your application, which means it can interact with your browser in a way that's closer to how a real user would. Features of Cypress. Real-time reloads. Cypress automatically reloads your tests when you make changes to your application. Automatic waiting. It automatically waits for commands and assertions before moving on. Network traffic control. You can stub and control network traffic to simulate different scenarios. Screenshot and video recording. Cypress can take screenshots and record videos of your tests. Code example in Cypress. Here's a simple test in Cypress to check if the title of the page is correct. How Cypress compares. Unlike Puppeteer, Cypress runs in the same run loop as your application, which can lead to more predictable testing. Cypress has a rich interactive test runner, which is something TestCafe also offers, but Puppeteer lacks. Cypress is JavaScript only, which might be limiting if you prefer other languages for testing. TestCafe. TestCafe is another end-to-end testing solution that runs on the client side. It's easy to set up and doesn't require WebDriver or any other testing software. Features of TestCafe. Cross-browser testing. TestCafe supports all major browsers out of the box. Concurrent testing. It can run tests in parallel across different browsers to speed up the process. No WebDriver required. TestCafe doesn't rely on WebDriver, which simplifies setup and maintenance. User roles. It allows you to define different user roles and permissions for more realistic testing. Code example in TestCafe. Here's a basic TestCafe test to check if a button exists and clicks it. How TestCafe compares. TestCafe stands out with its built-in support for concurrent testing, which can be a huge time saver. It's more language agnostic compared to Cypress and Puppeteer, supporting TypeScript and CoffeeScript out of the box. TestCafe's setup is straightforward, similar to Cypress, but it lacks some of Cypress's advanced features like network traffic control. Puppeteer. Puppeteer is a Node library that provides a high-level API to control headless Chrome or Chromium over the DevTools protocol. It's primarily used for UI testing, scraping, and automating browser tasks. Features of Puppeteer. Headless mode. Puppeteer can run Chrome in headless mode, which is great for CI/CD pipelines. Chromium-based. It has access to all Chrome DevTools protocol features. Page automation. You can automate form submissions, keyboard inputs, and more. Screenshot and PDF generation. Puppeteer can generate screenshots and PDFs of web pages. Code example in Puppeteer. Here's a simple Puppeteer script to navigate to a page and take a screenshot. How Puppeteer compares. Puppeteer is backed by Google and has excellent support for Chrome, but it's less suitable for cross-browser testing compared to Cypress and TestCafe. It's more low-level than Cypress and TestCafe, which can be a benefit or a drawback depending on your needs. Puppeteer requires more setup and boilerplate code to get started with end-to-end testing. Cypress is great for developers who want a seamless integration with their development workflow and are comfortable with JavaScript. TestCafe offers a straightforward setup and supports multiple languages, making it a good choice for teams with diverse skill sets. Puppeteer is ideal for tasks that require deep integration with Chrome and for teams that need a more low-level approach to browser automation. Our comparison journey continues in our next class. See you there.